You're staring at two books for your VCE English comparative. The temptation is simple. List some similarities, list some differences, call it a day. But that's the path to an adequate essay. The path to an excellent one requires something more: argumentative sophistication. It all starts with your thesis. A simple one says, both texts explore identity. An excellent one does more. It might argue, while Fitzgerald mourns the authentic self lost to a facade, Wilde celebrates artifice as liberation. See the difference? It's not just a topic, it's an argument. It finds the tension between the texts and uses it to expose a bigger philosophical uncertainty that neither book could reveal on its own. It shows what the comparison uniquely makes visible. Next, you refine your language. Avoid absolutes. Instead of saying a text proves something, try suggests or demonstrates. This isn't weakness, it's precision. It shows you recognize that great literature rarely offers simple answers. It's full of contradictions and multiple valid interpretations, and your analysis should reflect that depth. Don't oversimplify what is deliberately complex. And this brings us to the most crucial step: synthesis. This is where you create new meaning. Ask yourself, what does putting these two texts in conversation reveal? It's not about which author is right. It's about how their competing ideas expose the true complexity of a concern, like human nature or society. A new understanding emerges from their dialogue, an insight that simply wouldn't exist without the comparison. You're not just an analyst, you're a moderator of a profound literary conversation. So sophistication isn't about using fancy words. It's about building a nuanced thesis, qualifying your claims, embracing complexity, and most importantly, synthesizing an idea that only comparison can unlock. That is the key. That is how you demonstrate mastery.